This lesson is on ni, the counter for people. This lecture is based on pages 174 through 175 of Genki. You may remember our discussion of counting in Japanese from Lesson 5. In Japanese, numbers are followed by counters, a kind of suffix that classifies the object being counted. In this lesson, we'll learn a very important counter, ni, the counter for people. Whenever we are counting 3 or more people, our number will be followed by ni, the counter for people. So, 3 people, for example, would be the number 3, san, plus the counter ni, or san ni. 4 is yo and ni for yonin. 5nin, 6nin, 7nin, or 7nin, 8nin, 9nin, 10nin. I'm sure that you've noticed that we started counting people at 3 people. The reason for this is that the counters for one person and 2 people are irregular. For one person, we say hitori. When written in kanji, we write the kanji for ichi and the kanji for nin. This irregular counter, however, is read as hitori. For 2 people, we say futari. Again, this too is written in kanji as ninin, but read as futari. Hitori, futari, 3nin, 4nin, 5nin, 6nin, 7nin, or 7nin, 8nin, 9nin, 10nin. Another thing you can do with this counter is count the number of people in a given location. In order to do this, we say place ni person ga x nin imasu. I'm sure you'll remember the sentence place ni person ga imasu. If we add x nin before the imasu, we can count the number of people in that place. For example, we might say 私のクラスにはスウェーデン人の学生が一人います, which means there is one Swedish student in our class. It might help you to make 2 notes on the particles in this sentence. First, sometimes the ni after the place is followed by wa. Because the phrase kurasu ni is the topic of this sentence, it can be followed with the topic marker particle wa. Second, as we noted in our first counting lesson, there is no particle between the number and the verb that follows it. In this lesson, we learned the counter for people, nin. We also discussed 2 irregular counters, hitori for one person and futari for 2 people, as well as how to count the number of people in a given location. では、さようなら。